Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a simple yet fundamental word in English: adult. Now, adult is a noun that refers to a fully grown person, usually someone over 18 years old. When someone reaches this age, they're generally considered mature enough to take on adult responsibilities like voting, driving, and making important life decisions. In everyday conversations, we might use adult to describe someone's maturity level or to differentiate them from children or teenagers. Let's look at a few synonyms for adult. We might use words like grown-up, mature person, or individual. Here's an example. As a grown-up, she makes her own decisions. Or, each individual in the group had their own responsibilities. These words carry similar meanings, emphasizing independence and maturity. On the other hand, we have antonyms that show a contrasting meaning to adult, such as child, youth, or minor. For instance, children need guidance, but adults should be able to guide themselves. Or, minors require permission, while adults can make choices freely. These words show the differences between a young person and a fully grown person. In daily life, we use adult frequently. You might hear phrases like, "I need to do some adult things today," meaning tasks or responsibilities that only grown-ups handle. Or, "The event is for adults only," which means it's restricted to those over a certain age. Here are a few more examples. Being an adult means taking responsibility for your actions. She is legally recognized as an adult now that she's over 18. And the movie has adult themes, so it's not suitable for kids. These sentences show how adult can be used to describe maturity, legality, and content appropriateness. To wrap up, today we explored the word adult, a fully grown person, typically over 18 years old. We looked at some useful synonyms like grown-up and individual, as well as antonyms like child and minor. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And here's a challenge. Can you come up with your own sentence using adult? Share it with us in the comments. We'd love to see your creativity in action. Thanks again for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Hello Word.